Hey everyone, we are back again taking a look at carriers and your carrier setup inside of AgencyZoom. So as you can see from my screen here, there are several carriers that can come in here. You can create this manually. If you have it connected to your AMS, then it will pull those carriers over automatically as well. And you can kind of sync them up so that way you don't have a ton of duplicates in here. And you can also just manually add a carrier if it's not coming over from your AMS or if you're not connected to it as well. Batch add is obviously going to be helpful too. They've got a gigantic list of carriers that you can go and select from. So instead of doing one at a time, you can just come in here and check the boxes and then hit save, and it'll add all of them to it. Also, with the carriers, you can see this writing company for this carrier. This is essentially an issuing company versus a parent carrier, right? So Travelers being the parent versus Standard Fire and Auto being the writing company. So you can see here there's several of them. You can go in and edit the name for the writing company. You can come into the parent carrier here. You can edit the name. Add any policy types if there's only specific ones, like if it's a life carrier, for example, or you only use them for dental, or this is strictly Palomar, so it's just earthquake. You can set all of that up inside of here as well, and make life nice and easy for yourself. So carriers are pretty straightforward, nice and simple. Nothing too dramatic as far as anything that you need to do inside of the carriers. Hopefully this is helpful.